Reddit, how would you feel about a law that bans radio stations from playing commercials with honking/beeping/siren noises in them? I was driving one day and listening to a very popular radio station in my region. And I saw all cars around me on the highway swerve a little bit when a commercial with sirens came on. Very dangerous stuff if you ask me. Edit, in the city close to where I live, Carnival is very popular and very well known. For about 1 month each year the festival gets their own radio station with loud obnoxious party music that is quite funny. Swerve is maybe an exaggeration, but I saw the reaction of many drivers in my vicinity since the siren came on quite loud after the news bulletin. This is a bad post. You're asking a leading question that an overwhelmingly majority already agrees with. Reddit, how would you feel if we had hover cars that didn't run on gas?